So, in this video, I will show you how to make sound effects like that of a cricket using simply your mouth. So, hopefully after this video, you will sound something like boom, just like that. So, first thing you need to do is purr. Just purr with the back of your throat. Like, I can't do it. It sounds like shit when I do it. But you just gotta purr right back here. Secondly, if you can do it blowing out whistling, awesome. Kudos to you. This is what it sounds like when I do it. I can't purr with my throat blowing out, so I have to suck in to whistle. A lot of people blow out to whistle like I suck in. It's easier for me some way. So, combine the two. Now, just start purring the back of your throat and whistle in, and you'll get. And to get the pause between the cricket effects, just stop whistling. That's it. So, give it a shot, practice it. It drove people crazy in boot camp, where I learned this at. People trying to sleep after they got PT'd all day, getting the shit whooped out of them. They're laying there asleep, and I'll just lay back in my bunk and just. So many people just shut the hell up! Jesus fucking Christ, shut up! I'd stop for a minute, then back at it again. Also, awesome for awkward situations. Like, I don't know, like if you're single, and you go up and talk to some random girl, like, hey, you think you're cute, you want to go grab some dinner? She doesn't answer, and you just sit there just like, icebreaker, boom, she'll dig it. Social groups, you know, a group of friends, somebody tells a shitty joke, nobody's laughing, hit them with a, it'll kill them every time. So, practice, practice, practice. Don't expect to get it off the bat. It'll take you weeks, months, however long. Or you may be that one person or a couple people who get it straight off the bat like that. But I greatly appreciate y'all checking out the video. If you would, check out my other videos if you need a good laugh. I do a lot of jokes and stuff. I got a tutorial video how to sound like Elmo. So you just talk like this. So you can learn that. And yeah, just like, share, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Tell your friends about it. This channel has been up for 3 or 4 days now. And we're already up 18 subs and a little over 300 views. So it's going pretty well. I can't complain. So thanks for watching. Best of luck to you. If you have any questions that I did not answer here, just drop them down in the comment section below. And I will be more than happy to take a look. Bye, guys.